Have you been interested in getting into the field of medical billing and coding, but don't know where to start? If so, today's video is for you. Let's go. Hi friends, my name is Jasmine and I have more than 2 decades of experience on the business side of healthcare. I am committed with this channel to help improve the delivery of patient care by alleviating the stress and confusion in the business of healthcare. So today we are talking about how exactly you can break into the field of medical billing and coding. So I've got 3 tips for you today. Today's first tip is one you've probably heard before. Get into a course. Get into a course, a training course online or in person, something that you can feel most comforted by the style of learning. Let it be delivered in your type of learning. So whether it's visual or if you're an audible learner, if you are someone who needs to have some hands-on experience to make sure that you feel that your way through the information, if you're a kinesthetic learner, then make sure that the program offers it in the way that you will best absorb. Number 2 is a very uncommon recommendation. That is apply. Apply to get into an organization where you might be of service in a different area. So perhaps you're interested in getting into hospital billing. Maybe you apply for a low-level, very low entry-level position to get yourself into a role. Maybe it's something very specific around an area that's supportive in the administrative area. So maybe you're doing something like scanning documents, or maybe you're helping to organize or clean, things that maybe are not even associated with the area of medical billing, but at least get you in the environment of a health organization, an organization that then you can be a part of and develop relationships within that organization. So relationships are everything in business. So very important that you really see this job as an opportunity for you to connect with people, for you to build upon those relationships, and hopefully be able to build relationships within the department that you were hoping to move into. A lot of these types of organizations might even offer training and development for you to go from one position to develop into something else, whether it's on the job training, or it might even be them paying for you to get training in something that you might be interested in. Number 3, become a mentee, which means you go into a mentorship program. So many people completely overlook opportunities. If you are hungry and you are determined and you can prove that in a mentorship interview, guarantee you that you could be selected for a mentorship program and not have to pay for any of the training. You could even get on the job training. You could be hired onto an organization and receive direct training from that organization and then handed a job, an opportunity to work for people that you've already been training under potentially. So one organization that already has some elements in place and relationships with another company that does this is AAPC. AAPC has a relationships with a company called Mentor City. So the website itself is mentorcity.com. You're going to go to mentorcity.com or go directly to AAPC's website or Google AAPC mentorship program and see what the options are. I really love the way that they describe their program so you can understand the opportunities that are available. And listen, it's not the only program that's out there. There are a lot of other mentorship opportunities on hospital level and individual private practices. Their Mentor City is kind of like a bridge between those organizations, but there are other products out there as well that can help bridge the gap. So if you don't go through Mentor City, maybe you even put yourself out there on LinkedIn and really start to market yourself to these organizations directly. Make sure that you're using all of the tools available to you. So do as much research as possible to market yourself and get yourself in the door. Maybe even get this training, on-the-job training, directly into a position as a medical biller or coder without any expensive schooling. Listen, if you are interested in training and you want to know a little bit more about the area of medical billing, right here on Inlera University, you can learn. We've got a ton of resources here on our page. So if you have not already liked and subscribed, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you ring the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on all of our live streams that we do on a weekly basis and any new videos that we post on this channel. Listen, friends, thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.